A well-designed landscape with attractive bordering plants can enhance the curb appeal and value of a property. They add color, texture, and visual interest, softening hardscapes and providing a natural transition between lawn and garden beds or the edges of pathways and driveways. Let's explore 15 colorful bordering plants with numerous benefits in landscaping and garden design. Lavender is a popular and versatile plant known for its fragrant foliage, beautiful flowers, and various uses. Lavender, a wonderful plant for bordering areas, typically has narrow, aromatic leaves that are gray-green or silvery green in color. The flowers are arranged in spikes or clusters atop long stems and come in shades of purple and pink. Salvia. These plants are generally low maintenance and relatively pest resistant. Salvia, a perfect option for bordering areas for its ornamental value, colorful blooms at different times of the year, depending on the species and variety. Check out these colorful blooms of different salvia varieties. Blanket flowers are easy-to-grow perennials that thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. Blanket flowers are known for their vibrant, daisy-like flowers that come in a range of colors, including shades of yellow, orange, red, and burgundy. The flowers are often bicolored or have contrasting bands of color, giving them a striking appearance. Coreopsis, commonly known as tickseed, valued for their prolific blooms, easy care, and ability to attract pollinators. Coreopsis plants typically have bright, daisy-like flowers, starts blooming from late spring to fall. A definite addition to garden beds, for its continuous blooms for most seasons of the year. Coreopsis is versatile and can be used in various garden settings, including borders, mass plantings, rock gardens, and containers. Perennials, also known as canary feathers, a long-blooming perennial plant. It brings constant blooming to your shade garden areas. It shows the bright yellow tubular flowers from late spring through late fall, with bright green foliage. It is a good option for front rows to brighten up the shade area garden. It prefers morning sun, and it is a wonderful addition for shade area borders to add bright contrast color. Sedum popstar is a cultivar of Sedum spectabile, commonly known as stonecrop or ice plant. Sedum popstar is valued for its compact growth habit and long-lasting flowers, making it suitable for borders, rock gardens, container plantings. This sedum produces clusters of star-shaped flowers that are typically pink or reddish-pink in color. A perfect, low-maintenance bordering plant for any landscape area. Candytuft is a low-growing, spreading perennial that forms dense mats of foliage. This evergreen candytuft is a delightful perennial flowering plant, valued for its profusion of small, showy flowers in shades of white, pink, lavender, or purple. Candytuft is relatively low maintenance and doesn't require much fertilizer or supplemental watering. It benefits from deadheading spent flowers to promote continuous blooming. Oxalis triangularis, commonly known as purple shamrock, is a charming perennial plant prized for its vibrant foliage and delicate flowers. Purple shamrock features triangular-shaped, deep purple leaves, giving the plant its distinctive appearance. Purple shamrock is often used as a colorful accent plant in borders, rock gardens, containers, or as a ground cover in shaded areas. Its eye-catching foliage adds interest and contrast to the garden, and pairs well with other shade-loving plants. Black-eyed Susan, also known as Rudbeckia, is a cheerful and versatile perennial flowering plant. And it is characterized by its bright yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark brown centers, which resemble a black eye. Black-eyed Susan blooms profusely, from early summer to early fall, producing an abundance of flowers, which adds a bright contrast color any landscape area. This perennial plant is a perfect choice for the front rows of the garden beds and bordering areas of landscape. Sweet Caroline typically refers to sweet potato vine cultivars, known for their ornamental foliage. These cultivars are popular choices for adding trailing, colorful foliage to containers, hanging baskets, and landscape bordering areas. The foliage contrasts well with flowering plants and adds a lush, tropical look to the landscape. These cultivars are grown as annuals in cooler climates and may be treated as perennials in warmer regions. Supertunia is a series of hybrid petunias, known for their vigorous growth, prolific flowering, and vibrant colors. Supertunias are popular choices for adding long-lasting color to containers, hanging baskets, and landscape beds. Supertunias typically bloom continuously, from spring to fall, that come in a wide range of colors, including shades of pink, purple, red, white, and bicolor combinations. Pruning back the stems can encourage bushier growth and prevent legginess. Purple heart plant is a popular and easy-to-grow, trailing plant appreciated for its attractive purple foliage. The distinctive feature of the purple heart plant is its long, trailing stems covered with lance-shaped, purple leaves for most seasons of the year, and cascading growth habit, making it well-suited for containers, or as ground cover for border areas of the garden beds. Lantanas are known for their colorful flower clusters, attractive foliage, and ability to attract butterflies and other pollinators. Lantanas typically have dense clusters of small, tubular flowers in a wide range of colors, including shades of yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple. Lantanas are relatively low maintenance, they thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, but can tolerate a variety of soil conditions. Lamb's ear is a popular herbaceous perennial plant. It is known for its soft, fuzzy, silver-gray leaves. Lamb's ear typically grows to a height of about 12 to 18 inches, forming a low-spreading mound. The most distinctive feature of lamb's ear is its velvety, silvery gray leaves with soft and fuzzy texture. It can be a wonderful front row perennial plant, adding contrast color to dark background of the landscape area. Going Bananas is a cultivar of daylily, low-maintenance perennial plant, known for its striking yellow flowers. This daylily cultivar typically blooms starting early summer to early fall, producing a profusion of flowers over several weeks. Like other daylilies, Going Bananas prefers full sun to partial shade, and it is very drought-tolerant and adaptable to most soil conditions. A perfect perennial plant for bordering areas in garden beds, slope areas, and large open areas as well. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel encouragement. Thank you.